All right, coming up at the just about the 12-minute mark on the drill. So what's happening is this Hochtown tanker, which was nursing, now is moving and dumping. They pumped off about a half a tank of water. The dump site engine was able to transition over, so now it's a dump tank operation totally, and the Hochtown is coming over and dumping so they can get back on the road running. They've left the line in place in case we need that later on, but for right now, that is the plan. So we ought to be able to support a 500 gallon of flow through this single line. When we want to go higher, we're going to have to put this line into play. But for right now we're good. We're getting ready to go to a 2-tank operation. We're at least setting it down, getting that stuff set up, making that happen. So we'll check back in, but that was a good sequence of the nurse tanker. That nurse tanker came in just to refresh, attack engine laid out. This tanker pulled in, became the nurse tanker next. Came in, pumped one side of that gated Y. Ideally that would be a Siamese, but the gated Y worked. Meanwhile, Eagletown showed up, engine 4022. They set up a dump site, hooked up to the other side, and once they had water, they transitioned and were finished by dumping their water. So see how much faster it is? He's able to get all his water off on the ground, and he's going to get another load while they're still using some of his water. So a real good example of that nurse tanker followed by transition to dump site operations.